The fact that the Gujarat was ruled by the many mighty kings and the rulers like the Guptas, the Mauryas, the Salankis and the Mughals. These all rulers contributed in the culture of the state significantly by building a number of monuments and also popularizing the tradition amongst the citizens. Later on, other people also ruled the Gujarat influenced by the Mughals and the Marathas till the 18th mid-century. These all great souls spearheaded the national struggle for the freedom of India and also helps in the construction of modern India. These souls teach us the teachings about the non-violence, tolerance, patriotism and the brotherhood. In 1960, Gujarat citizens also decided to be an independent state. So this led us to the formation of the two new states of the Gujarat and the Maharashtra. On 1 May 1960, Gujarat was declared as an independent state of the Indian Union. The newly formed state Gujarat capital was first Ahmedabad, but now it stays to the Gandhinagar. Now Gujarat has transformed into a South Africa tourist destination in India. Thank you. Private players and is also a major biotech destination. Pharmacy and medicines. Gujarat has more than 130 US FDA certified medicine manufacturing plants, and the cities of Ahmedabad and Vadodara are the top destinations for pharma facilities in the state. Chemical production. Gujarat is responsible for 62% of the total petrochemical production and 35% of chemical production in India. Textile and garments. Gujarat accounts 37% of India's total cotton output. The state has many cluster and houses of the weaving machinery manufacturers. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Shivan Shumbal. I study 7th Alpha. Today is my topic is education research on Gujarat. The primary and secondary are divided into higher secondary education infrastructure available in Gujarat has been able to cope with the demand generated so far. School education. Gujarat has an estimated 8.2 million children enrolled in primary classes with the gross enrollment ratio GER touching almost 100%. There were about 2.77 million children enrolled in institution imparting secondary and higher secondary education, higher and technical education. Gujarat currently has about 20 universities, of which 10 are private universities, 6 already existing and 4 new have been approved and will commence operations soon. Gujarat has over 900 institutions of higher learning and research with 398 students. Gujarat has approximately 34,323 engineering seats and approximately 47,753 diploma engineering seats. At post-graduation master level, approximately 10,492 seats are available across various disciplines. Thank you.
That reflects the rich history and the culture of the city. Among their surrounding monuments that are not only historical satisfying but are the things of art, architecture and history work. Gujarat is a home to around 203 monuments of national importance that have been organized by ASI. The state has so many heritage sites including UNESCO World Heritage Sites that means the club places are cluster park features and monument sites. Lakshmi Priya Play, residents of Luthra Royal Family. Statue Temple, Mandir Hospital, Varanasi. Rani Daman Fort, beautiful capital. Ani Mahal Place, the place of peace. Thank you.
Morning all of you. My name is Anushka. I am the student of 7th class. Today I am going to tell you about Gujarat tourism. Founded in 1978, the Tourism Corporation of Gujarat LTD PCGS provides comprehensive travel assistance and services to the tourists coming to visit the Gujarat. Some of the services of the Gujarat includes accommodation, conducting tours and ground transport with a wide range of choice to meet diverse needs. Some of the special attractions of Gujarat are Gir National Park, Dal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Marine National Park. There is also one slogan for Gujarat tourism, Us Din To Guzaro Gujarat Mein. The most beautiful city in Gujarat is Ahmedabad. People like to come here. Thank you.
I am shifting from grade 7. Today I am going to speak few lines on famous personalities of Gujarat. First famous personality is Amit Shah. Amit Shah is an Indian politician and 31st Minister of Home Affairs. He was born in Mumbai on 22nd October 1964. He came from Gujarati Hindu family. He served as 10th President of BJP. Second famous personality is the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is an Indian politician and 14th Prime Minister of India. He was born in Gujarat. He is a member of BJP and RSS. Narendra Modi is serving as longest Prime Minister. Third famous personality is Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani